All right, so I'm here with Anderson and I'm Austin, and we're doing our first video for the exercises of the month, helping people work out at home and stuff like that while they can't go to the gym. So this is called the world's greatest stretch. It's an outstanding hip opener, and it's a dynamic stretch, so you're not doing any of the negative stuff that Dr. Davis talked about with the static stretching and everything like that. So you can see here he's kind of in a split lunge stance. We've got a pillow under the knee. If you need that, you know you need it. If you don't, you don't. He doesn't need it, but we got it there for him. So he's gonna drop down his elbow and try and get to this bone here on the inside. You're gonna feel a really nice groin stretch, and you're gonna get a lot in this hamstring. Good. Then he's gonna plant his other hand. Perfect. He's gonna reach up to the sky. So really nice thoracic spine rotation up top here. Good. He's going to come back down with that hand, and he's going to sweep out around the outside. Perfect. That hand's going to plant, and he's going to sit back into his hip here. So a lot of hammy, a lot of calf. Great engagement there. Again, the groin. He's going to come back down to that same split lunge all the way up, and he's going to squeeze the heck out of that glute. The way we program that is it's a good like kind of TV time break thing if you're between shows or whatever, you know what I mean? 6 of those on each side. You're gonna feel like your hips are gonna feel really fluid, upper back's gonna feel really good. Great to knock the crust off. Yeah, give it a try and let us know if you need any help or anything like that via the comments, or give us a call. Thank you.